Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet with me, Richard here. Yes, today we are looking at this question. It says that a charged rod is brought near the metal disc of a negatively charged gold leaf electroscope. Okay, so this is the rod, is charged, and we bring it near this metal disc. What we need to know is that the gold leaf is negatively charged. So this is the observation. The opening of the leaf increases. Okay, let me clarify on this one. The gold leaf is negatively charged, and the rod is charged, but we don't know whether it's positively charged or negatively charged. Okay, but when the rod was brought near the disc, the leaves repel further. They continue to move away from each other. Okay, what conclusion can be drawn from this observation? The conclusion is that the charge on the gold leaf is the same as the charge on the object. So the rod is also negatively charged. That's the conclusion. Yeah, the rod is negatively charged. Okay, why? Because when this charged rod comes near and is negatively charged, what is going to happen? It is going to repel the negative charge, which actually are electrons, down to be more on the leaves. So when the charge on the leaves increase, what happens? The repulsion increases. Then we come to this one. It says, state what will happen to the leaf if a positively charged metal rod is brought near the metal disc. What will happen to the leaf? Okay, the repulsion of the leaves will decrease. In other words, the leaves will come closer. Yeah, that is it. So if you have a positive positively charged rod coming near this negatively charged gold leaf electroscope, the leaves will decrease, the repulsion of the leaves will decrease. Yeah. Then we come to this question. It says that write the name of the generator which uses friction to generate electric charge. Yes, there is a kind of generator. We'll see it at advanced stage. It uses a belt to create charges, to separate actually positive and negative charge. And what do we call that generator? We call it Van der Graaf generator. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that briefly explain why the hair of a person touching highly charged object stands. Okay, this one is a case when somebody touches the dome. The dome is an upper part of the Van der Graaf. It's very highly charged when the Van der Graaf is in operation. So when somebody touches the dome, the hair stands. Okay, why? The reason is that the hair becomes charged and it repels each other. So that's why you see it spreading out. Yeah, that is that. With that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Science's Silver Bullet with me, Richard, here. We urge you to subscribe, to share, to like, to comment. And we have to remind you that this channel, PSSB, is a YouTube science channel handling physical sciences grade 12, 11, and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. We recommend that if you're using our channel, please use the playlist. Don't go to video. Just go to playlist and click on the material of your level. For grade 8 and 9, look for natural sciences grade 8 or natural sciences grade 9. For grade 11 and 10, look for physical sciences grade 11 or physical sciences grade 10. For grade 12, just know that every chapter is presented independently. So look for the chapter of your choice, and then you'll have all the material which you need. With that, I would like to say thank you. Stay blessed. See you next time. Bye-bye.